This is INFINIX Note 12 2023, and in today's video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition method or lock your screen with your own fingerprint. So launch settings, enter security category, and tap at the fingerprint, set screen lock. Then choose what backup screen lock method you would like to have. Set it up. Then choose the notifications the behavior for the app notifications. And then you can start adding the fingerprint. So the scanner is located at the side power button. It is built in, so just continuously lay your finger onto the sensor until the entire surface of your fingertip or fingerprint will be scanned. So as you can see, mine was successfully scanned and added to the system, so I can start using it to unlock the screen. So let's go ahead and test it out. Works like a charm. The next feature that I wanted to show you can find at the display and brightness category. It is the always on display feature, and this phone has it. You can enable it through toggling on this switch. Choose the style that you would like to have. There are quite a few styles to choose from if you ask me. So let's say I'll go with this one. Apply. Then lock the screen, and here's the AOD. The next option for today, or rather a small tip, is how you can enable the battery percentage, or to put it in other words, to make the battery percentage visible. So, settings, go for settings, then go for the power marathon, advanced settings, the battery setting, and simply switch on the battery percentage switch, or toggle. And moving on, the next tip that I have is a rather convenient feature for the people who record the screen a lot, or people who want to preserve their privacy while showing something on their phone. So the device has the peek proof, I guess that's how this feature is called. So it will be way more comprehensive than if I'll show you this feature instead of explaining it. So settings, special function, and here it is, peek proof. So once enabled, as you can see, it blacks out or grays out the certain parts of your system. You can manage what parts and how much of your screen is grayed out by moving this controls horizontally, or vertically. You can change what zone is visible and what zone is not. And if you would like to change the level of tinting or grayness, whatever, you gotta slide those controls horizontally. As you can see, the unused parts of the screen become either brighter or completely dark, depending on what your particular preference is. In order to exit this feature, just tap at the exit icon that I had over there. And moving on, the fifth and final feature for today. This one is the performance related. That's how you can boost your performance, basically. So the phone allows you to expand or increase your random access memory. In order to do that, you will need to launch the special function category of settings again. Then go for the mem fusion section. And in here, in my case, it's already enabled and set to at the maximum value. But if you had it turned off, you will need to simply turn on this switch, then choose how many gigabytes you would like to expand your random access memory for, and then reboot the device in order for those changes to be successfully applied. The way this feature works is that it occupies the respective amount of internal storage and commands this occupied or reserved amount of memory, commands it to work as a RAM, or as additional, allegedly virtual random access memory, which allows you to do more things simultaneously without slowing your system down, and overall just increases the performance level and, well, improves the performance. Alrighty, so that would be it not only for the final option or tip, but for this video in general, guys. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.